What's good, YouTube? It's your boy OG here. Today we have the Whisper Challenge, and I'm here with
Chantel.
Follow her on Instagram.
Golden Goose Pussy, that's me. I'm just kidding. No, I'm just kidding. I'm just
What yo?
kidding. I'm just kidding.
Wait,
I'm just kidding. Light chocolate, _.
Can't cut this up, nigga.
Yeah.
Thing golden, isn't it?
Yeah.
And so we're just gonna get straight into it.
And my nails are broken, so y'all don't talk about me, okay?
She deep throat. I need a baby who get nasty but classy in front of all these people. She got that big ego. I need to be able to lick on that pussy ball like an eagle. She gotta eat Creole. Got a smile but she mean though. I need a bad little freak.
Boy, OGTV white print in this.
What?
You gotta, bruh.
You can't do that. You can't do that. You can't do that.
Wait. Calm down. We're good.
I'm ready.
You ready?
Yeah, I'm doing that.
Alright.
It look good. Steal it up.
Say it one word at a time.
You look trauma sexy.
I look what?
Trauma sexy.
Trying to be sexy. I look like I'm trying to be sexy.
No. You close, but no.
Okay, you said I'm close. I look like a triangle.
I'm glad you can hear me.
I'm confused. Do you want to build a snowman?
What?
Oh, that's
She said something about so bad.
Do you want to build a snowman?
I mean,
Do you want to build a snowman?
I don't know it.
No, you have to try.
I just know it's me something so bad.
Hey.
What do I want to do so bad?
Build.
Oh, Bill.
Snow.
Slow.
Snow.
Snow.
Man.
Snowman so bad. You want to build a snowman so bad? Or I want to build a
Do
snowman?
you want to build a snowman?
Oh, no. Victor hair is in a bun.
What?
Victor hair is in a bun.
My Instagram.
Victor hair is in a bun. Victor hair is in a bun.
I'm not hearing what y'all said.
Yeah, you're not supposed to hear that.
Not hearing what y'all said, we can't see what y'all said.
Victor.
Fish.
No.
Why?
No,
No.
Why? What up?
Victor. Victor.
Visit future. Okay.
Victor.
Fish.
No.
Okay.
Victor.
Bitch.
Victor.
Fixture.
Victor.
Victor. Okay.
Hair is in a bun. Hair is in a bun.
Victor.
Hair is in a bun.
Victor is given. Victor?
What?
What?
Victor.
What?
Victor hair.
Victor's hair's in a bun.
There you go.
I like big bananas.
You like big what?
Bananas.
Big head ass? You like big head ass people?
Bananas.
One more time.
I like big bananas.
You like big black? What you say?
I like big bananas.
Big bananas.
Yeah.
I knew it was something like it.
I like to sniff your dog.
What?
I like to sniff your dog.
You like to what?
Sniff your dog.
Sleep in the car?
Sniff your dog.
Sniff the dog?
Fuck.
That's some white people shit. What should I say?
Big double star got you.
We are.
Say
Alright, ready? You ready? Take buddy, yeah.
take money, gal.
Oh God!
It's just the way you said it.
Alright.
I would drink milk, but I'm allergic to milk.
I heard everything you just said.
You need some better headphones.
Like, nah, it's not that. Like, I read her lips, and then like I heard it low key.
What did I say?
You're addicted to milk, but you're allergic to milk, or something like that.
Okay.
All right, go again.
Oh, I had to go again because you heard me. Can you hear me? You just shaked your head. No, you can hear me.
I can't.
Shut up. He
You
cheating.
just told me shut up.
No.
Shut the iron box.
Look at those chickens. Look at those chickens.
What?
Look at those chickens.
You have on no shades?
Look at those chickens. Look at those chickens.
Look at those shades?
Look at those chickens.
Look at
The chickens.
shakes?
Chicken.
Shades?
Look at those chickens.
Let them city shake?
Look at those chickens.
One more time.
Look at those chickens.
Look at those shakes?
Chickens.
Steaks?
Chicken. Chicken.
I don't know what you said.
Look at those chickens.
Okay, just say the last word by itself.
Chickens.
One more time.
Chickens.
I don't know what you said.
Chicken.
Shakes? I don't know what the
Alright, G, you lost.
You stupid.
They're not.
I can grill the chicken.
You dare me to do what?
I can grill the chicken.
You dare me to kiss him?
I can grill the chicken.
You ate the ribs last year?
I can grill the chicken. I can grill.
You ate my wings.
I can grill the chicken.
I'm not gonna get that.
Grilling the chicken. Grilled chicken. Jerk chicken. Fried chicken. Curry chicken.
Dirty.
Any kind of chicken. Brown stew chicken. Fried chicken.
Fried chicken.
Oh, you get that one to do it.
Okay.
Curry chicken.
You ate my fried chicken?
No, curry chicken.
What you say? Some people look like pineapples.
Something about pineapples.
Some people look like apples.
People like apples.
Some people look like apples.
Why? I feel like you're switching it up. What was-
Some people look like apples.
Some people like apples.
Some people look like apples.
Some people don't like apples.
Some people look like apples.
Some people like pineapples.
Some people look like pineapples.
Don't like pineapples.
They look like pineapples.
You look like pineapples, or you
You
taste
look
like
like
pineapples.
pineapples. I mean, I do, but I mean, that's what I said.
That's not what I asked you.
Sure,
You talking about something I do, but like no.
I said that's not what I said.
I know that's not what you
Okay,
said, but
okay. Well, you can hear me. I said some people look like pineapples.
some people look like pineapples.
Yeah, but you kept saying some people like pineapples.
Oh, I kept saying like. You like box shot.
Can I box him?
Do you like box shot? Do you like back shots?
Do I like back shots?
Damn.
The shoes don't fit my hand. The shoes don't fit my hand.
My shoes or what?
Don't fit my hand.
Are feminine?
My shoes don't fit my hand.
Your shoes are for your hand?
My shoes don't fit on my hand.
Your shoes are from somewhere.
My shoes don't fit on my hand. My shoes don't fit on my hand.
Your shoes are from.
They don't fit on my hand.
They're not from Miami?
They don't fit on my hand.
They're not for your. Oh. Your shoes are for your man? Is
My
that what
shoes don't fit on my hand.
It's not for your man.
They don't fit on my hand.
this for yours? I don't know what you said. Your shoes are what?
My shoes don't fit on my hand.
Say the last part.
They don't fit on my hand.
They don't fit on you?
On my hand.
Oh, your hand.
They don't fit on my hand.
They don't fit on your shoes don't fit on your hand.
Yeah.
If you're new to the channel, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. I dare you.
You dare me to jump in the pool. That's not what you said? Yes, it is. Don't try to play me. Yes, it is.
I did say I dare you, but I did say jump in the pool.
Okay. What did you say?
Hold on, I got it.
You did say jump in the pool. You did. Don't lie to me. How you gonna sit here and lie to me? I'm betrayed. I feel very offended. You gonna sit here and try to lie to my face.
Playing this game at home.
Don't play me. Don't play me. Don't play me.
She be playing this game at home, alright? She plays with her friends.
I played this game before. How many sperms do you have in your sperm donor bank?
That's a whole paragraph. You should be.
No, I'm not. No, I'm not. How many sperm do you have?
Wait. Start over.
How many sperm do you have in your sperm donor bank? What? How many sperm do you have?
Wait, go slower.
How many sperm do you have in your sperm donor bank?
You have something lunch. I don't know.
How many sperm do you have in your sperm donor bank?
I don't have any sperm in my sperm donor bank.
I said how many, oh, you answered my question?
Oh,
Because I said how many do you have in your
well, I don't have
sperm
it in my sperm donor bank, so.
Okay.
So I'm gonna just end the video right here. So again, if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, like, go watch my other videos. Comment down below. Let me know what you want to see. You feel me? And I got more story times coming for y'all, man. More public interviews, bro. You feel me? I got more shit coming. Don't worry. You feel me? And I'm the boss. Y'all the gang. This the TV. And I'm out. This bitch.
Where the weed at? Where the smoke? I thought spliff met my choke. Real bad man, no joke. Gun pa my waist, no hoes. Gunshot, Johnny in a ghost. Why do some boy them for know? When I take this on the road, think I'm the shit, yeah I know. Little baby